To enable or disable attack pictures in SOS Messages Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open Settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down Settings script, find Advanced Features, and then tap Advanced Features. Scroll down Advanced Features, and then tap Send SOS Messages. To enable attack pictures, tap attack picture switch until blue, or to disable the switch until black or until white. If you enable attack pictures, system will attack pictures taken using the phone and rear camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.